Alright everyone, here we are with another video with Invest for Tomorrow. To all the first time viewers and investors, welcome to the channel, and to all the subscribers, welcome back. All I ask for in return is for you to smash that like button to let me know you watch this video, and to stay tuned on in towards the second half of the video, guys. Right after this chart analysis, I have a ticker symbol to share with you guys, as well as the opportunities I mentioned this morning over at the Discord, and I managed to find a home run opportunity of 80% plus at its highest point of possibility, as well as another home run opportunity of 30% plus at its highest point of possibility. If you want to know what stocks I watch daily, you're more than welcome to join us. The link is down below in the description to the Discord, and by joining, you will become part of a growing community of investors looking to learn and grow together. So here we are with CLOV, Clover Health Investment Stock, and the stock is sitting sideways. There's a little bit of strength, and the lowest point we recently seen is down here at 11.12, 11.10. I would just round that down. Super important to watch. And then below that, all the way down here at $9 is super important to watch as well if there is further weakness. Now, this isn't tug of war zone, and the bulls are pushing higher, staying above the 50-day moving average. The 50-day moving average is 13.26. Anything below it is bearish. Anything above it is bullish. Now, the first support level I would watch is 13.38. If that gets broken through, I would watch how that reacts between 13.38 and the 50-day moving average and see if the bulls try to reappear and bring it back up, or if the bears tear this one down and bring it to newer lows, new support levels, end up in bearish territory, and then the next support level I would watch is $13. I would just round that down to $13. It says 13.02 here. Just round it down to $13 and see how it's reacting. Now, the highest point that the bulls reached today was all the way up here at 14.16. That is a momentum indicator to let us know where things are going. If the bulls are actually breaking through newer highs, pulling further away from the 50-day moving average. So that will be key for the bulls to turn into a support and pull away from. But yesterday's high is just as important at 14.43 for the bulls to continue breaking through newer highs and continue this momentum from way down here at the $12 mark and work its way up in that upward direction and bullish trajectory. If you learned something new, don't forget to subscribe. Click on the bell so you don't miss a single video that I post. Share this with a friend so they can receive the insight as well. And all I ask for in return is for you to smash that like button to let me know you watch this video. 3 to 5 more minutes of your time. I have a ticker symbol to share with you guys, as well as the opportunities I mentioned this morning. And if you want to know what stocks I watch daily, you're more than welcome to join us. And we look forward to having you join us. The link is down below in the description to the Discord. Stay tuned. So the ticker symbol I have to share with you guys is one that I've talked about before earlier this week over at the Patreon. We're going to look at its chart and how it's been performing. But before we do, I want to share with you guys the opportunities I mentioned this morning over at the Discord. And if you want to know what stocks I watch daily, you're more than welcome to join us. The link is down below in the description to the Discord. And by joining, you'll become part of a growing community of investors all looking to learn and grow together. So we mentioned XELA yesterday. It gave a 40% jump towards the end of the day. It continued the rally into today, giving another 10 to 20% jump on the day. This was phenomenal to start off the day. CUEN, this was our home run of the day. We're going to look at it in just a moment. POAI gave us 5 to 10% opportunities, and ASTS was a phenomenal home run as well. Let's go ahead and look at these charts and how they played out for the day. And I'm telling you, if you want to know what stocks I watch daily, you're more than welcome to join us. The link is down below in the description to the Discord. So CUEN, we caught this one early on in the morning, and it gave a highest point of 80% plus on the day. Even after the bell and that dip, it gave a 10 to 20% plus opportunity, being a home run in the pre-market hours all the way even after the bell. That was phenomenal, and it gave another 10 to 20% jump as it pulled back again later on in the day and jumped up again. Now, our second home run opportunity of the day at its highest point, giving 20% plus, was ASTS. I mentioned it in the pre-market, sitting kind of sideways, spiked up, pulled back, and gave a highest point of 30% plus on the day. Phenomenal day today for all the investors in the group and for us as a community collectively, and it was awesome. But let's talk about the stock that you want to add to your watch list moving forward. And it's a stock I've been talking about since earlier this week, and it is KGC, I believe it is. There you go. Kinross Gold Corporation. I think it's Kinross. That's how you would pronounce it. But this is a stock that has fallen really hard after dividends, right? After its dividends, it was at $8 and some change. It was building up towards it since the last dividend. It actually went downwards towards the last dividend, started to pick up towards this dividend, and also inflation worries and so forth. And it has actually dropped, hitting lows here of about $6.10, brought itself back up, consolidated, pulled back down recently to $6.15, and it's presenting itself, right? If you want to call it that, a double bottom in the short term, right here, it's presenting itself as an opportunity and showing some strength within this area. Even if this was to break through $6, I would still watch it carefully and continue to pay very close attention to the opportunity that's presenting itself, because the more it pulls back, the bigger the opportunity to the upside, because analysis ratings are pointing this one upwards. And if inflation worries come up again, or if this starts to pick itself back up towards the next dividend, that's going to be interesting as well. And this is a profitable company since 2019, even 2018 and 17. 2018 was their worst year, but 2017, 2019, 2020, I mean, this has been profitable, and quarterly, you know, it is building itself up to continue. So you definitely want to do more due diligence on this stock. This stock is looking phenomenal, and gold's price has been pretty strong. Even though it dipped, it's been pretty strong, sitting itself sideways, and I don't think it's going to go much lower. And if it does, it's just making the opportunity even bigger, because the stocks I look at, they sometimes don't make sense right now, but when you look at the bigger picture of things, it'll make sense. Because some of the stocks I talked about back in May, back in April, back in March, it seemed like, why are we looking at this stock now? And if you look at their charts, they're up. ChargePoint, I used to talk about it a lot at $19, $20. You know, PaySafe, I talked a lot about it as it was going towards 11 and 10. You can look at it now, it's kind of a little bit up. I've talked about Butterfly Network as it pulled back and it jumped back up. I've talked about many different stocks. Neo, even at $32, $35, down at those levels and jumping back up. I mean, you name it. MP Materials, Plug Power, you know, we've caught a lot of these stocks as they were dipping, and now they're up. As always, guys, thank you guys so much for watching, and let's make some money.